Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We're off to Aix-en-Provence today.
Weekly market for me. Golf tournament. On our way home, we stopped at Morcret, which is right outside the Aix city center. They are a restaurant supply store and also a Lacanche dealer. And I'm so happy I stopped there because Kati, the representative, was showing me different models. And it turns out that the Cluny Classic with the double ovens that I thought I was going to get, it's just a little too small, those ovens. Because I bake a lot of bread, that Dutch oven, yes, it fits in there, but it's tight and it's a little awkward. So when I asked her what suggestions she had, she said, if you go the next size up, I think that will suit all of your needs. All right, so this oven here is the same as this oven?
The same.
Just this different size?
Voila.
Okay.
Just the same one. You will use this one.
And I can
very
fit
much.
a baguette, a tray in
Oui,
here?
oui.
It fits? This is
Oui. No.
Which one would you go with, this one or this one?
in a petite cuisine.
This one is the most that I saw order.
Ah, okay.
The most.
And people are happy with it?
Oui.
Okay.
This Solieu is definitely the winner. I feel much more comfortable with the two sizes of these ovens, the vertical and the regular. And what I really like about it is that the top has both gas and induction. And of course, I'll do it in the armor blue color. I'm ready to bake.
Ah, oui.
Oh, nice. That's going to be the genoise.
Perfect. Oui.
Magnifique.
Yeah. And
Okay.
we keep here 4 or 5 centimeters to put the stone.
Ah, oui.
The ugly couch is finally leaving us.
Oh, quoi? Le crayon.
Very nice.
Oh, yeah? They're trying to get this out. It's a slate top. It's a job for all the men. And there they go. Why don't you go look at that?
Ça va être bien. C'est à la fin que. Ça le fait. Je le fais? Voilà. Ouais, c'est normal. Good job!
Radiators are gone. Plastic is on the floor. Dishwasher's gone. What is it?
God, everything is gone, thank God.
We have the window people here measuring right now.
Yep.
Ryan.
They're a fancy bunch.
They are fancy. No, it's like you're gonna get your clothes all dirty. Okay, let's clean up.
All right. Jenny, there's too much going on.
There is a lot going on right now. We got window people here.
Teo's about to help us out.
What's the solution for this? You have one glass 60, 70,
Oui.
and second glass 70. You open in 70 on the 70, and you can open in 70 on this 70.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is we can't open them together, so I can't have a little bit of space here and a little bit of space here.
Comme ça. Dans le
Yes.
milieu, like in the middle.
Yes, you can, and you have hair here, and you have hair here.
We
So
can do that.
If you want, when the glass are in the middle, you have
opening.
anything here and
And-
anything here.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
perfect.
you can.
So you can do that.
This is.
But the opening is au-dessus du robinet.
We.
He wants to do fix and
I
the
show you photo in the shop,
Okay.
Okay.
and you choose
Okay.
Okay.
where will come back on the shop.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Merci.
Okay.
800.
And so in here, what did we decide on?
We are going to build up the windows a little bit. We're going to have them go from the tile all the way up.
Okay.
As
New
opposed-
tile too.
Yeah, we're going to get new tiles in here. So we're going to have bigger windows. Bigger windows.
I think I'm going to make an executive decision.
What?
I think we should put the tile right on top of this floor,
Why is that?
because then that will make the step a little bit smaller,
Yeah.
because you're going to build that step's going to get taller over here. When I put the tomettes on top of here, or
Yeah.
when I take this off, the tomettes are going to stick up too high, and it's going to get even bigger.
It looks like we got ourselves another beautiful day over here. And slowly we're starting to clear out all the junk from the house, making some progress with that. This morning, I want to discuss with Noah what we can do with these stone stairs here. Well, now they're tile. I'd like to refurbish them into beautiful stone to match the patio area. And inside the dinette, we're going to collect our new tiles next week. And as Noah said, he will put those on top of these. That will make the stair into the kitchen a little less noticeable. And going through a walkthrough of the house every morning gives me a better idea of what we cleared out, what we can do, like putting our new stove in. Granted, it'll take up the whole kitchen, but so what? And in the big dining room over here, which is my favorite room in the house because of this beautiful floor. We have a lot of ideas for here. And today, I want to see if I can have Manu and his guys take off 2 of the pantries. And then we're going to keep the smaller one. But if they can knock down those 2 pantries, and we'll keep the wood doors, because maybe we can salvage those in some way. That would help clear out the room. I want to make this room a storage facility. Maybe a kitchen pantry, store some things in, so we have to do something with that. Unfortunately, in our living room, in our salon, Noah's doors broke. I know he's disappointed about that, but we'll see what we can do. He's going to be taking care more of the demo work today. The hallway's almost done. His room is almost completely demoed. It looks like a full-on demo site.
I'm on my way now back to the rental house. I stopped here by the fountain for a little bit. I'm so happy how the work is progressing at the house, and it's actually really nice to see everything cleaned out. Now that we have the pantries down, the furniture is out, we can see all of the rooms and exactly how big they are and start visualizing even more how they're going to look. Everything's coming along. A bientôt.